In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete files from pCloud. We will also explain how the trash works in case you need to restore something later. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and click the button that says Go to My Account. What will happen is you will be forwarded to the main dashboard. Now here, all I have to do is super simple. Select the file or the folder that you wanted to delete. For example, I am gonna delete this specific folder with all the files in it. Okay? Now, you see that there is gonna be a 3 dots icon here. And all I have to do is click the delete button. It's super simple. Or if you want, you can also select each file and delete all of them one by one. Okay? Which is helpful if you don't want to delete some of the files inside that specific folder. But if you are decided to delete the entirety of the content, click the delete button. All right. And of course, you also have the ability to delete the entire folder. Now, after confirmation, at this point, the file is no longer in your main storage, but it's not permanently gone yet, because on the left side panel of your dashboard, you would see that there is an option that says trash. If you click that, this is the space where you can actually restore to bring it back, especially if you have deleted something by mistake. Okay? All I have to do is super simple. You can empty trash or you can restore all these. You see there is an option that says restore or delete forever. Now, if you opted to empty trash, let me remind you that the files cannot be recovered. So be very careful about it. But if you are really sure about it, just click the empty trash and there is like a confirmation message. Click on it and click the delete forever, and basically that's how you delete files from pCloud safely and easily. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.